Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Thank you, Mr. Journalist. Since you are a journalist in India, what do you feel regarding on that harassment and circulation with the poster do not allow the Christian institution to put the statue of the scene in the
This type of posters and threatening incidents, I feel it is against the values of our Indian Constitution and all the traditions upheld by our Indian culture. Because I'm a Catholic priest and I know in India we have our Christian community have more than 40,000 educational institutions and almost all the national leaders from different political parties including BJP and Marxist party and Congress party. Almost all the national leaders have got their education from Christian institutions, especially L.K. Advani and other BJP leaders. They all studied in Christian institutions. Let them say how these institutions helped their character formation and personality development, and how these Christian institutions helped them to be the national leaders to help the nation building. Actually, each and every Christian institution, especially educational institution in India, are helping each and every child to have an integral personality and to have patriotic feeling to work for the betterment of the motherland, our nation. And in a way, each and every Christian institutions help each children to be a participant in the nation building process. So actually we feel proud of being Christians here in India because we have grown this much only because of the help and generosity of our brethren from other religions. Therefore, those who understand the social situation in India right now, the educational field and the caregiving field and the social service fields, and in each and other fields also, Christian community have contributed very much for the betterment of the society, not only for the Christian community. Each and every Christian institutions actually standing for the public community, not only for the Christian community. And those who have benefited from all these institutions know the fact. In this background, if we think like this, I don't think that a particular government based on democratic values can promote this kind of destructive concepts regarding some Christian institutions and Christian traditions, Christian cultures. I don't think a democratic government can support this. But some organizations, they may have some vested interest. They may, they can do such things to harm the social harmony. So I suggest to these people, please don't do this kind of anti-social elements, because